Blue, wake up. Come on.
Spaceship crash?
Breakfast.
Breakfast?
Today, I show you Animal Town.
Adventure!
Hello, Blue. Hi. Hello.
Good morning.
Hello. Hello.
Here you go, a fresh apple. Thank you, it looks perfect.
How about these pineapples?
They look yummy.
This market is wonderful.
It is free. Apple.
Say thank you. Thank you.
Lucy, thank you. You're welcome.
Say sorry. Sorry.
Sorry. No problem.
Thief! Thief!
Hello, police. Please come fast.
All right, let's go.
Do I have to?
Yes, it's over.
Wow.
Ha ha ha! Nice shot! Ha ha! You got another one!
Now your time. Try this.
Oh, yes.
Woo!
Great job, Blolu.
Food attacking again.
Take your time. Every book has its own adventure.
Oliver, look! The dinosaur book!
That one looks amazing.
Excuse me, how much is the Dino Friends book?
It's $2.
Great! Please pack it for me.
Here you are. I hope you enjoy your new adventure.
Thank you so much.
Give me one balloon. Sure.
Here you go.
Wow! Thank you!
Selfie time!
Selfie?
I look good. You always look good.